Hey, how's it going? Maverick right here, and today I'm gonna be discussing about the best credit cards for real estate agents. A lot of people have been asking me, Maverick, do you know about some best credit cards that I can use as a real estate agent? Then that is why today I'm gonna be listing and explaining my five best credit cards for real estate agents. I'm gonna be starting from the number one right here, which is the American Express card. And as you can see, American Express, as is renowned for its exceptional customer service, often going above and beyond to resolve disputes and assist card holders. And the Amex offers a diverse range of business cards, tailored to different needs, including the Amex Business Platinum, okay, and also the Amex Blue Cash card. And this card often comes with perks like travel rewards, cashbacks and business specific benefits such as expense management tools. So in case you're a real estate agent and you're looking for, a very good credit card that you can use to travel and get a lot of cashback and rewards, then you can go for the Amex Business Platinum or the Amex Blue Business Cash credit card. Okay, so this is the first on the list. Now, the second one that I'm going to talk about that has, a good credit card for real estate agents is the Discover It credit card. Okay, so Discover is lauded for its cashback rewards program, and it makes it popular choice for real estate agents who are looking to earn cashbacks on their business expenses. Okay, so in case you're looking to earn cashback on your business expenses, you can see unlimited cashback match, and it's really tailored for a lot of people, and you also enjoy some no annual fee for you using Discover It, and cashback credit card, not now and not hiding a year from now. So with this credit card, you stand chances of not incurring any annual fee, or you also reducing your fees and the ability for you to earn a lot of cashbacks and reward with this credit card. Another one that I'm going to be talking about also here is the Chase credit cards. Okay, so Chase is the third on my list right here, and when we talk about Chase credit card, we talk about the Chase Sapphire, okay, series, okay, including the preferred and also reserve. So you can see the Chase Sapphire preferred, and also we have the reserve also, and they are highly regarded for their travel benefits. Okay, so the reserve card in particular, it offers premium perks like airport lounge access, and they also offer travel credits, which makes it appealing for frequent travelers. So in case you're a real estate agent that you travel often from time to time, if you're an average traveler, then this is also a good card that you can consider, the Chase Sapphire Reserve. Okay, specifically, as you can see right there, the Chase Sapphire Reserve, and you can earn a lot of points, and you can see you earn up to 3x on dining and travel purchases. Okay, although it comes with an annual fee, but it's a very good one that you can consider. You can also go for the Sapphire preferred also. It's also a good choice. And also we have the Chase Freedom and Chase Ink. Okay, so right here is the Chase Freedom, and as you can see right there, the Chase Freedom also is a good one that you can go for. Also, we have the Chase Ink. Okay, so those are the Chase Ink there, and this card are ideal for business use. And with this Chase Ink series specifically designed to cater to small businesses, in case you have a small business, even as a real estate agent, or maybe you are a real estate agent who is just getting started, then it is designed to cater for your business with features like bonus rewards on office supplies and telecommunications. So in case you want to set up your office, you're just getting started as a real estate agent, and you're looking for something to set up and get everything ready, your office ready, so that you can go boom and start closing a lot of deals and selling a lot of houses and mortgages and everything, then this is also a good one for you. Okay, another one that I'm going to be talking about here is the Southwest Airlines, because companion pass. This is like a companion pass, because real estate agents, in case you're real estate agents who frequently travel, okay, you might find value in the Southwest credit card. Although this can just be like another card that you can have, it doesn't have to be your primary card. Okay, but this is also a good credit card that in case you want to leverage the companion pass benefits. Okay, so this can be a good one for you, and the Apex allows a designated companion to fly with them for free. Okay, so especially doubling the value of earn points. Okay, in case you enjoy companion pack benefits, then this is a good one that you can actually leverage. Okay, so if you're a frequent traveler, then you want to leverage the Southwest Airline credit card. All right, now the last on my list, which I'm going to be talking about here, is the Cabela's card. Now this is just an added card, because in case you are the kind of person that maybe you are a real estate agent who enjoys outdoors, okay, in case you enjoy outdoor activities, and this card offers bonus points on everyday expenses like gas and groceries, which also makes it attractive for real estate agents who frequently incur this type of cost. So in case you frequently incur this type of cost, you might also want to consider the American Express Everyday Preferred card. Okay, and it also has an additional 50% bonus on points and through regular usage incentives. Okay, which card holders use frequently. All right, and earlier I talked about the Chase Sapphire Reserve, and is which is on price for its extensive travel benefits, including airport lounge access, travel credit, and flexible points redemption. And despite its high annual fee, it has a high annual fee, but the card perks can easily offset the cost for frequent travelers. Okay, and talking about maximizing reward, because some users do prioritize cards with multiplier to maximize their reward potential. So for example, the Chase Business Inc cash card, which offers 5x reward at office supply stores, while the Chase Freedom card provide 5x reward in rotation categories. So you might want to decide to maximize reward and combine one or two cards together for you to get more huge benefits. Okay, and also we have the specialized spending, so cards like Amex or and the City Custom Cash are tailored to specifically spending categories such as grocery, gas, and dining out, and allowing agents to earn higher rewards in areas relevant to their business. Okay, and also talking about the credit card statement, many agents do rely on credit card statements or year-end summaries provided by issuers to track their business expenses. So these summaries categorize expenses and simplifying the process of identifying deductible business costs for tax purposes. Okay, so those are the things that I have for you, though I don't have any personal preferences, but I can possibly tell you about, I've already told you about the benefit of each one, but however I think the Chase Sapphire Reserve will be my first. Okay, if I want to recommend to you. Ultimately, the best credit card for a real estate agent depends on individual preferences, spending habits and business goals. So it depends on what suits your need, because some may prioritize travel benefits while you may prefer cashback rewards or specific category bonuses. So it is essential for you as the agent to evaluate your need and compare the feature of each card to determine which one aligns best with your lifestyle and business requirement. But the best two that I'm going to talk about here is the Chase Sapphire Reserve and the American Express, like the Business Platinum or the Blue Business Cash. Okay, which are valued for excellent customer service and wide range of business specific perks, and the ability to also earn membership reward points, access exclusive Amex offers, and benefit from travel protection can make the Amex card a top choice for anyone who is seeking comprehensive benefits and reward tailored to their business need. Okay, while the Chase Sapphire Reserve is often favored for in case you like travel benefits or airport lounge access, travel credit, and flexible points redemption options. Although it does come with high annual fee, okay, but the perks it offers can easily outweigh the cost for frequent travelers, including many real estate agents who may need to travel for client meeting and property viewing. So in case you're an avid traveler, a real estate agent who travel a lot, then the Chase Sapphire Reserve can be a very good one. But if you don't travel that much, maybe you're just always in the city and you don't really travel, then the American Express Business Platinum and Blue Business Cash can be a good one to help you to boost your business and help you to grow and also get some day-to-day stuff. Okay, but why, in case you prefer day-to-day expenses, you just want to have fun, then you can go for the everyday preferred card. Okay, because those ones are good for grocery, and I mean the American Express everyday preferred card, they're good for the expenses like gas and groceries and all the day-to-day purchases. So that is what I have for you in today's video tutorial. I believe this video has been helpful. Thank you very much for your time, and I will see you in the next video. Bye for now.